Welcome to the Glow Up Diaries, where I take small steps every single day to glow up mentally, physically, and financially. Hi, my name is Vienna, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today I am trying to glow up in the aspect of my physical health and in terms of eating. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a week, trying to improve like what I eat. Disclaimer, after reviewing all the footage and like what I ate, I'd say I only ate about 20%, maybe 60% healthy foods, and the rest was junk food. But I am not gonna beat myself. I'm not gonna label different foods as unhealthy and healthy. I ate what I ate, and I enjoyed what I ate as well. And so I just want to show you guys what I ate, and interesting, like maybe showing you guys a realistic week of what I eat. And yeah. These donuts were actually featured in my last video that I made on YouTube, and they're from the Wyong Factory Daily Dough Donuts. They, in my opinion, weren't that great, and they're super huge and very sugary.
I love my
Good morning. Sushi from scratch, so that's what I'm doing right now. I want to show you guys how I make my kimchi.